Learn about Google Slides, an online alternative to PowerPoint. Google has a suite of web applications called G Suite, which includes apps like Google Slides, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. You need to use these applications in an internet browser such as Google Chrome or Firefox and internet access. In offline mode, if you have made the necessary predictions, you can use Google Online Office. One of Google's web applications is called Google Slides. Google Slides has also been released for Android and iOS as a mobile app, and virtually any user can use it from their phone, tablet, Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. The main purpose and application of Google Slides are to create a number of slides to present topics, just like the Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Google Slides is just like PowerPoint in terms of basic features, but the advanced features provided in Microsoft PowerPoint for editing text and photos, animations, etc., are not fully present in Google Slides. In contrast, the main feature and advantage of Google Slide over similar software are that it is free and online and has the ability to work on files. You can simply create a new presentation file, share it with colleagues and friends, and gradually edit and complete the file. The important point is that Google Slides can open Microsoft PowerPoint files with the extension PPTX and PPT and support other formats such as ODP, JPG, SVG, and PDF. Even after editing the file, you can download and use the output file in formats such as PPTX. So there is no need to use peripherals to convert. In the next post we will talk about how to convert PowerPoint to Google Slides. We are always there to help you.